For all you folks interested in energy efficiency, I found an online store that handles energy efficient products. Folks, today I'm going to show you the foam, spray foam. It comes in 105, 205, and like the one I've got here, the 605 board feet of foam. That's what it'll handle. It comes in a complete kit, folks. You open the kit, it comes with the hose and the gun. Notice this gun here. It's got a variable trigger right there. You can put on as much or as little as you want. And what's so easy about this? The nozzle. You stick this nozzle up here, and look here, it snaps on with just a click of a finger. Now what's so cool about this nozzle, it's a patented color-wise technology. It tells you when the temperature is too cold or the temperature just right. It's a new product, boy, it's real handy right there. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this together and show you guys how this system works. It's simple. All you do is shake up the two-part components, attach the color-coded hose, turn on the valves, apply a little petroleum jelly on the gun face, snap on the nozzle, and you're ready to insulate your home. You know, not only does the Handy Foam installation kits insulate your home, they seal up the cracks and air leaks that you can't even see, and they create a water-resistant barrier against the outdoor environment. It also keeps the insects and rodents from entering your home. You know, folks, there's so many benefits to spraying the Handy Foam insulation from energy efficient solutions. That's the reason I'm spraying it in my new home.